What's the meaning of Brain of Britain? Brain of Britain. Brain of Britain.
Brain of Britain. Brain of Britain. Brain of Britain is a title given to a person who is considered exceptionally intelligent or knowledgeable in a particular field. The title originated from a long-running British radio quiz show of the same name, which pits contestants' general knowledge against each other in a series of questions. The ultimate winner of the show is crowned the Brain of Britain. The title has since been used more broadly to describe people who are admired for their intellectual prowess or expertise in a particular area. It has become a symbol of high intelligence and academic achievement in British culture.